Many people dream of a job they love. Imagine leaping out of bed each morning, eager to tackle the day. This isn't a fantasy. It's the potential of aligning your career with your passions. This explores the compelling reasons to pursue work that excites you. We'll delve into the benefits, address potential challenges, and offer practical advice for turning this dream into reality. Get ready to discover the power of merging passion with profession. This journey isn't always easy. It requires careful consideration and planning. But the rewards, both personal and professional, can be immense. Let's explore how to make work feel less like work and more like an extension of your passions. Please like, share, and subscribe to the No Frills family. Passion fuels motivation. It's the spark that ignites the fire within us, driving us to pursue our dreams and ambitions. When you love what you do, every task becomes an opportunity to express your creativity and skills. The daily grind transforms into a series of exciting challenges, each one a stepping stone towards personal and professional growth. You're driven by an internal force that keeps you going, even when things get tough. This resilience is what sets passionate individuals apart. This intrinsic motivation leads to a deep sense of personal fulfillment. It's not just about completing tasks, but about finding joy in the journey. Your work becomes an expression of your true self, aligning with your interests and values. This alignment creates a harmony between your professional and personal life. This alignment fosters a sense of purpose that transcends the typical 9-to-5. It gives you a reason to wake up every morning with enthusiasm. Furthermore, studies show that engaging in work you love can have positive effects on your health and well-being. Reduced stress, increased happiness, and a sense of accomplishment are just the beginning. Improved overall health, better mental clarity, and a more balanced life are just a few of the potential benefits. When you are passionate about your work, it radiates into every aspect of your life. When you're passionate about your work, it impacts your life in profound ways. It not only shapes your career, but also enriches your personal experiences, making every moment more meaningful and fulfilling. While passion is a powerful driver, it's important to acknowledge potential challenges. One concern is financial stability. Not all passion-driven careers offer high salaries or job security, especially in the beginning. Another risk is burnout. Pouring your heart and soul into work you love can be both exhilarating and exhausting. It's crucial to set boundaries, prioritize self-care, and recognize the importance of rest and rejuvenation. However, these challenges are not insurmountable. With careful planning, realistic expectations, and a commitment to balance, you can mitigate these risks and create a sustainable path forward. Remember, success in any field requires dedication, resilience, and a willingness to adapt. Despite the potential hurdles, pursuing work you love offers long-term rewards that often outweigh the risks. Imagine a career that consistently energizes and inspires you, year after year. This deep satisfaction stems from aligning your work with your core values. When your career reflects what you believe in, you feel a sense of purpose that transcends simply earning a paycheck. You become part of something larger than yourself. This alignment fosters a sense of authenticity and integrity in your professional life. You're no longer just working for a living. You're contributing to something meaningful. This sense of purpose can fuel your motivation and sustain you through challenges. Section 5. Practicality meets passion. A balancing act. Finding the sweet spot between passion and practicality is key. It's not always about making a radical career change overnight. Sometimes it's about making small adjustments that gradually move you in the right direction. Start by identifying your passions and exploring how they might translate into a career. Research different industries, network with professionals, and consider taking courses or workshops to gain new skills. Remember, knowledge is power. Don't be afraid to think outside the box. Your passions might lead you down unexpected paths, revealing hidden talents and interests. Embrace the journey of discovery and be open to new possibilities. The perfect career path might surprise you. Section 6. The side hustle springboard, testing the waters. Start with a side hustle to explore new career opportunities. This lets you experiment without committing to a full-time change. Maintain your current job while gaining practical experience in a new field. This dual approach provides a safety net. It's a low-risk way to build your network and test your assumptions. Meet like-minded individuals and gather insights. Gain first-hand experience of the day-to-day tasks and industry landscape. Understand the skills in demand and position yourself for success. A successful side hustle can evolve into a full-time career, minimizing financial risk and boosting your confidence. Section 7. Cultivating resilience, embracing challenges on the path. Remember that pursuing your passion won't be without its obstacles. There will be setbacks, rejections, and moments of doubt. Embrace these challenges as opportunities for growth and learning. Cultivate resilience by developing a growth mindset. View obstacles as temporary roadblocks, not permanent dead ends. Learn from your mistakes, adapt to changing circumstances, and never give up on your dreams. Surround yourself with a supportive network of family, friends, and mentors who believe in your vision. Their encouragement and guidance can provide invaluable support during challenging times. Remember, you don't have to go it alone. Section 8. Finding your tribe, the power of community. Connecting with like-minded individuals in your field can be incredibly beneficial. Seek out communities, both online and offline, where you can connect with people who share your passions. These communities offer a space to exchange ideas, share resources, and learn from each other's experiences. They can provide valuable support, mentorship, and even potential collaborations. Remember, success leaves clues. By surrounding yourself with individuals who are passionate about similar pursuits, you'll gain insights, inspiration, and a sense of belonging. Together, you can navigate the challenges and celebrate the triumphs of pursuing work you love. Section 9. The legacy of love, leaving your mark. Ultimately, pursuing work you love is about more than just personal fulfillment. It's about finding a deeper sense of purpose and connection in what you do every day. It's about making a meaningful contribution to the world. When you engage in work that resonates with your core values, you create a positive impact that can be felt by many. When you're passionate about your work, your enthusiasm is contagious, inspiring others and creating a ripple effect of positive change. Your energy can motivate your colleagues, uplift your community, and even inspire future generations. Imagine a world where everyone felt excited to go to work each day. A world where the workplace is a source of joy and inspiration, rather than stress and obligation. A world where people's talents and passions were fully utilized, leading to greater innovation, creativity, and progress. This kind of environment fosters groundbreaking ideas and solutions that can change the world. By aligning your career with your passions, you contribute to this vision. You become a part of a larger movement towards a more fulfilled and innovative society. You leave a legacy of love, dedication, and purpose that extends far beyond your own life. Your work becomes a testament to your values and a beacon of inspiration for others. Please like, share, and subscribe to the No Frills family. So take the leap, follow your heart, and discover the transformative power of work for love. Embrace the journey, knowing that every step you take is a step towards leaving your mark on the world.